YouTube. What's up? It's your boy Vader. And today, flame on. Okay, I'm gonna call somebody that is gonna be the. Never mind, you'll see.
What's up?
Hannah, I'm gonna do the trick. Alright? Alright, YouTube, I call this the homemade flamethrower. Because, well, it involves basically what a flamethrower has. Gas and a lighter. But instead, fire, axe. Alright, so we're gonna do 4 runs, okay? Hannah, on my cue, I'll say the countdown. Let me make sure we're in action. Hold on. Alright, cool. Alright, Hannah, go.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Flame on, boy! Yes! Alright. Hannah, do it again.
Yep. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Alright. 2 more.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, hold on. This time, it involves a cigarette. Hannah?
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Hold on. Give me a second. Alright, Hannah.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
And that is how you make yourself a handheld flamethrower, guys. Now, keep in mind what I just did. Don't do it at all. I know some people have done it. You know, they're probably thinking, "Oh, it's actually not new shit." But you know, I thought, you know, maybe let's try something different. All right, so we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of crazy shit. I'm gonna try and get Hannah, my girlfriend Courtney. I'm gonna try and get a whole bunch of friends. I know I had a video posted on YouTube about that basketball shot that my boy shot behind his head. We're gonna do a lot. I'm gonna do a lot of trolling videos with a lot of friends. I got my friend Joel, who's already he's on Xbox Live. If anyone know him, it's can't stop playing 5. I'm gonna try and do some collabs with him in trolling videos because we were talking about it for a long time. All right, so you know, by the way, this has been Annihilator Vader, and what I say to all of you out there is, flame on. Peace.